Hey there, HR pros. Ever wondered what makes a front office truly successful? Today I'm going to unlock the secrets of front office success for you. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, clear communication. Communication isn't just about talking, it's about listening too. Encourage your staff to express their ideas and concerns. Open channels create a more vibrant and efficient workplace. Next, let's talk about training. It's not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. Invest in regular training sessions to keep your team sharp and up to date. Remember, a well-trained staff is a confident staff. Now, onto something equally vital: customer service. Your front office is the first point of contact with clients. Make sure your team is not only friendly, but also well-versed in problem-solving. Stellar customer service can turn a one-time visitor into a lifelong client. Don't forget about technology. Equip your front office with the latest tools to streamline operations. From scheduling software to customer relationship management systems, tech can make a huge difference. Also, let's touch on the ambiance. A welcoming environment can make all the difference. Bright lighting, comfortable seating, and a clean space can set the tone for a positive experience. Lastly, lead by example. As an HR professional, your attitude and behavior set the standard. Show your team what excellence looks like. Be approachable, be solution-oriented, and most importantly, be human. So there you have it. Clear communication, continuous training, exceptional customer service, modern technology, inviting ambiance, and leading by example. These are the building blocks of a successful front office. Implement these strategies today and watch your front office transform into a powerhouse of efficiency and positivity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time.